Hello.
Do you need a toy to play with in the car? Huh? That was so cute. Oh.
Boo.
What are you looking at? Oh.
No.
Thank you. Can I have it back? That's probably very, very not tasty. Who's there? Oh. Oh. She just did like a magic trick. There we go. Oh. And I want some kisses. Can I have some kisses? Hey, come here. No? She's like, cell phone, that's all I care about. Oh. I want to videotape her girl. Get up.
Get up.
Get up.
Hey,
You want to crawl? Come get it. Come get it. Come get it.
No.
Oh, stop crying. Come here. Come here. Oh,
No.
you're so pitiful. Come here, pumpkin. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Are you pooping? Oh, yes, there she goes. There she goes, all the way up. All the way up. Here's the bone.
Thank you. Hi.
You're welcome.
Lydia. Hi. Hi.
No, that's Mommy.
Hi. Show how tall she is.
Stand up. Oh.
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 Gosh, she's so tall.
You coming?
Hi.
Hi, Megan.
Hi.
Hi.
Adia. Adia. Hi.
No, wave at Megan.
Adia.
No. Oh, you want to hold on to the chair? Okay, you can do that. But you can't have these. They're for Mom. You want it? Hey. Who you can talk to on the phone? Oh, it's for me? Hello? Oh, it's for you. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Bye. Bye, Adia. I'm crawling away. This is what crawlers do. What is this? Is it a giraffe? Is it a giraffe? Come get him. Come get him, Sugar Pie. Come here. She's like, no.
Hi.
Come here. Come here.
Where are you going now?
She sees a bottle.
No, that's mine.
Let her put it in her mouth.
Adia, did you see the other one? Look at her. You gonna get a bottle? You gonna get it? It's a bottle. Yum, yum, yum.
Mmm.
Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Adia. She's like, I'm not used to this kind of bottle.
Hi.
She's laughing. Adia, yummers. Look at her, you should see her face. Are you just being funny? Are you just being funny? She's getting the other one?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's too heavy. This one's not as heavy.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Did it get your foot?
It's too
A
heavy.
lot of bottles, but none of them are yours, huh? Come here. Come here. What? Oh.
Come here. Oh. Oh. Come here. You poor thing. Oh. Oh, poor baby. Oh.
She sees the look on her face like,
Pull hair?
I'll show you.
Hello. Hello.
Red hair, I remember this. She always does it every face. Adia.
Look at mommy.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi. How come you don't say hi? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hello.
What are you looking at?
Adia. Hi.
Look at all that hair. Look at all that blonde hair on that baby. Yeah, right, Megan.
You picking my nose? Ew.
So I get it from Mommy. She picks my nose. My blue-eyed, blonde-haired baby. Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
You ready to go get some pizza?
Mmm.
You ready to go get some pizza, Adia?
Yeah.
She's like, I guess. Pizza? Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Adia.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Say rah, rah, rah.
Rawr. Rawr, 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 rawr. Thinking about it?
You gonna do it? You wanna go get some pizza?
Pizza. Mmm.
All right, here we go.